Everyone, this is Bharat Bahadur Thagrati, studying at Saptavarika College of IT and E-commerce as a student of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Today, I'm going to present my project, which is a forensic backup and recovery tool. This tool is designed to securely backup, restore, and encrypt files while ensuring data integrity and security. It also integrates with Google Drive, allowing user to store their encrypted file in the cloud. This whole project is based on Python and utilizes several important libraries. Let's look at the libraries. Here we have used different libraries to complete our project. So we use bootstrap, Tkinter for the GUI, cryptography, Fernet for the encryption and decryption process, and SQLite for keeping user authentication, for user data and logs. And Google Drive APIs to upload and restore files from the cloud. And the main component of this code is user authentication, which helps to handle login, registration, and password security using SHA-256 hashing. SHA-256 hashing, we can just see here also. Mm, for the user, yes, hash values, we can see here it uses the hash values. And for the file encryption and backup, we first file encrypts before storing them. We'll just backup them locally, or then only we can backup to the Google Drive. We'll just test it here. Just before running this code, I have a different file for the unit test of this whole code, where I will test different 8 different tests to show the code is running successfully or not. I will just test encryption process, file backup, and for test files and backup. For ensure database connection are closed before deleting the file or not. Testing hashing, test user authentication. User authentication, does this all tested road code or not. I will just first let's run this code for the unit test. The code is running. Yes, let's see, all these above tests are completely run, and they are successfully tested within a 0.322 second. Now let's run the main code and see the project works properly or not. What are the GUI used in this project? Let's see all this. mm, all this in the GUI. We can just minimize the size of the window, and let's first register. If we are new user, we need to just register. Let's keep name Bharat 2 space 1 2 3 4, and just keep the password 0000. Yes, we just created our user account successfully, and let's log in to this using the username and password that we have used just before in the before this process. And yes, after successfully login, we can see there is the username that we have kept, like by showing logged in as Bharat123, and we have different features used in this project for backup file. This features will work to backup file locally in the local disk first, and backup to Google Drive features will use to back up the file directly to the Google Drive, and this restore file is will work to restore the file from Google Drive to the local disk. First, sorry, this restore file feature will just restore the file from local drive to the chosen location, and from this restore from Google Drive will be used to restore the files from the Google Drive mm, to our drive. And export log will show the logs and user authentication when the file are backed up and their hash values and time when they are backed up and they are restored. All the logs will be stored in this export log. Now first back up the file locally. Okay, let's back up first backup this entitled design first one. Let's back up this, and let's back up another one also, cover page. Okay, we have backup two different files first. Now let's backup to Google Drive together. Two file will be directly backup to the Google Drive. It will take some time. uh, Yes, we just get a pop-up message, file uploaded to Google Drive with its ID, and which file is backed up, blue and yellow business. Okay, this is the second file that I have backed up at last. And now let's check. Yes, this is the first file that I have backup, and it is also successfully backup to the Google Drive. Now let's check the Google Drive whether the files are backup to the Google Drive or not. Let's open the Google Drive, and we also get another message, local backup folder backup up to Google Drive. Okay, the file stored in the local backup folder are totally backup to the Google Drive. Let's see. Mm, what is stored in the local backup? This file. Uh, yes, this both files are files get backup to the Google Drive. Let's open the Google Drive first. Now let's open the Google Drive to see those two files are backup to the Google Drive or not. I have already opened the Google Drive. Let's see the file are backup or not. Yes, we can see both the files are file get backup to the Google Drive with their modification time 14 to 56 and their file size. So now let's restore these files to our local drive. Mm, Restore files from Google Drive. This both First, let's back up this blue and yellow business report file to our local drive. Mm, it will take some time. Okay, the file downloaded from Google Drive restored this file name. Okay, and has been restored to the restored file, as this also shows the location where the file get restored. And okay, this is the another has been restored this. And let's restore another file also, this one. mm, Now, mm, yes, second file also downloaded successfully and stored in restored file. Let's check the restored folder, this one. Okay, I have tested before making this. After completing this project, I have done another one, but the main file that we have just backup are blue, yellow, and this one file that are successfully restored from Google Drive to our local disk. Okay, this process works. Now let's check the another this export log. Let's see what are stored in export log and what we'll get in the export logs. Let's keep try logs file name and give the location here, and let's save it. Okay, has been downloaded, and let's check here. Let's open the try log. Hmm. Yes, we can see what we have done, which file are, which file just get backup. Let's zoom it. Action. First, we just back up the file name untitled. This with the this is the checksum, and this is the metadata size, date, time, and modification date. This one for the local purpose. Then we back up to the Google no sorry, we just back up another file to Google Drive. We just get the checkup sum, size, and created successfully, time modification, and restore checksum, and date and time is not mentioned at this moment. So in this project I have different future enhancement to make this project more user authentication, and that user can easily use to back up their file and keep their data safe from different types of accidental deletion, and different types of hack different types of malware, and different purposes. So in future I have planned to use different user can have their um, sorry to role based access control, to keep role based access control, where the user different user have different level of access for important data, large data. They can get more features here, and for automated scheduled backup, to automatically if any data are created successfully in a device, they can they don't need to manually backup this. In future I will add that feature also in this project, and the file will directly automatically go to the Google Drive and save there, and use enhanced security feature also. So that's all about my project. Thank you everyone.